So the next legal aspect is related to Pocso Act. Okay, Pocso. So please do remember one of the important aspect is its abbreviation. Okay, sometimes they may ask abbreviation. Please do write properly. Okay, protection of children, protection of children from Sexual Offences Act. Sexual Offences Act. And this particular act, it was launched in the year 2012. Please do remember this particular act, it was launched in the year 2012. One important aspect. And this particular act, which is introduced by Ministry of Women and Child Development. So which is introduced by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Okay, one important thing. And also they mentioned very clearly, very clear, protection of children from sexual offenses. Yes, right, sexual offenses. We need to know what is the sexual aspect here, sexual offenses. Okay, and also this particular Pocso Act, it provides legal framework. Okay, so I need to tell this one. So it provides legal framework, a legal framework for protection of children. Protection of children from sexual offenses. From sexual offenses. So this is also one of the important thing there you should understand. Okay, then so the next aspect is here. So how? So there are concept. So this act usually which involves like so this act provides what and all it provides. So it is focused on sexual harassment. So sexual harassment, one important thing. And not only the sexual harassment, and also the sexual assault to the children's, that also it includes. And also it includes penetrative sexual assault. Okay, so one more thing, it includes penetrative sexual assault. So penetrative sexual assault, which includes maybe like involves vaginal penetration to the children's, and also anal penetration, that also it includes, and also oral penetration, that also it includes, and even urethral penetration. Okay, urethral penetration, that also it includes. So penetration of child. So this we can able to expect as penetrative sexual assault. Okay, and only not only this, usually it includes child pornography, making some videos. Okay, so this also included under this act. So if anyone committed in this particular thing, obviously under legal framework there will be a punishment 100%. So there is no like other option, there is a punishment. Okay, so that is the most important thing. And in addition to this, so there is the one more concept that you should understand, the reporting. Okay, so reporting of cases, that also you should understand. So and also the age, it should be, that I will mention here only, the age should be less than 18 years. Okay, that should be 18, less than 18 years, that also you should remember. Okay, the next aspect, as I mentioned, reporting, how they will report these particular cases. So the reporting, which includes how. So usually any person who has the knowledge that offense under Pocso Act is likely to be committed, has been committed, shall inform. So to whom we have to inform? So the information should give So this particular, anyone knows about these things, the sexual assault is going on, or any child pornography is going on, so the information should be given to SJPO. Please do remember, SJPO means Special Juvenile Police Unit. SJPU, sorry, SJPU. SJPU means Special Juvenile Police Unit. So this we can call it as SJPU. So to these individuals we can give the information, or and even we can able to give the information to the local police also. For local police also we should give the information if any of above things is going on, is happening, so then we need to give information to police, local police also. So these are the things which is included in case of Pocso Act. So in the year 2000, it was launched in the year 2012. It is the act introduced by Ministry of Women and Child Development, and this particular act which is provide the legal framework for protection of children from sexual offense. That is the thing. And also, as I mentioned, there are certain things which is included in this particular act, and the reporting of cases. Okay, so most commonest aspect as a question what I am expecting is the abbreviation and the year. Usually they will ask, and beyond this they won't ask the other information. Okay.